In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create this abstract art with Blender. Let's add a plane and type R, X, and 90 to rotate it 90 degrees on the X axis. I'll scale the plane on the Z axis a bit, and extrude it in edit mode. Ctrl 3 to subdivide, and let's use Ctrl R to add some loop cuts. Let's add a curve point. If you don't see that in the menu, please activate an add-on called Extra Objects. We need a 3D curve. E to extrude, and type A as in alpha, V as in Victor, and A as in alpha to smooth curve after extruding it. Let's add a curve modifier. We need to add some loop cuts to make the mesh look smoother. If we need to rotate a curve modifier mesh, then we must select both objects before rotating them. The idea is to use a Shift-D shortcut to duplicate them, and R to rotate them like this. Let's find a best angle to render, the angle that doesn't show any ground nor background details. I'll add a blue material and copy it to the rest like this. Let's edit some meshes by editing their curve points. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.